Hello, welcome back. So let's start today's question. Longest increasing, strictly increasing or strictly decreasing subarray. I hope you have read the question. It just says that we have to find the longest increasing subarray. It should be either the longest increasing subarray or longest decreasing subarray. So in the first case, we can find that 1 or 4. So this is a subarray that is strictly increasing. And then we can find that 4, 3 is a strictly decreasing subarray, and we can find 3 2 that is again a strictly decreasing subarray. So the length of the maximum was 2. Okay, so the answer is 2. So in this case, nothing is strictly increasing or nothing is strictly decreasing, so we'll just return the individual size of these, that is 3 3 3 3. They individually themselves are a single subarray with size 1, so we'll return 1. And if we take this example, so it has 3 2 1, that is, I can say that that is strictly decreasing and the length is 3. So I hope you understood what we have to do. So I will solve this question and you will get to know what the code says. Okay, so I will start with the very simple steps. So first I will find the size of the array, nums dot size, and then I will find initialize a maxi variable that I will initialize with 1, which will store the maximum maximum size of the array. And I've initialized it by 1 because if I see in this case, so these are the cases, or if I take a example of a sample input, like the input is just 1. So what it will do, it will not even, I will write a loop after here, and it will not even enter the loop and just return 1. Okay, so I will initialize two variables. One is strictly increasing equals to 1 and strictly decreasing equals to 1. Okay, so now I will enter a loop for, sorry, for int I equals to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. I've started a loop from 1, not from 0. You will get to know why. If nums of I is greater than nums of I minus 1. So that's why I started the loop from 1. So if it is increasing, if it is going to be increased, then I will do what? I will increase, strictly increasing by 1. Else, if it was not the case, then I will reset the strictly increasing variable. Strictly increasing equals to 1. That's it. And same we have to do for strictly decreasing as well. If nums of I was lesser than nums of I minus 1, then I will increase the strictly decreasing by 1. Else, if this thing breaks, suppose, okay, we don't have an example here. Else, I will do what? Strictly decreasing. I will reset strictly decreasing by equals to 1. Okay, after doing all this, in every iteration, I will find the maxi. Maxi will be max of the previous maxi, the new strictly increasing, and the new strictly decreasing. That's it. And I will remove the space, and finally I will return this maxi. Okay, so this is the code. We will dry run this after we submit it. Okay, this is good, beats 100%. So okay, I will do a dry run on this first example here. So keep in mind all these variables. Max equals to 1, strictly increasing equals to 1, and strictly decreasing equals to 1. So it will start from the first index, I equals to 1, and then it will check. So 1, 4. So in the first iteration, this condition holds true, I guess. Yes, it holds true. So it will increment strictly increasing by 1. So strictly increasing previous value was 1. So strictly increasing new value will become 2. And it will check this condition also. This is not true. So it will enter the else part. And so strictly decreasing was previously 1 and it will again become 1, no change. So after that, it will execute maxi. Maxi equals to max of maxi right now is 1. Strictly increasing is right now 2. Strictly decreasing is right now 1. So it will change the maxi's value with 2. Fine. And now we enter the iteration number when I equals to 2. This is the iteration. So we will check for this variable. So does it hold true in this case? Is 3 greater than 4? No. So I will reset si with 1. So si now becomes 1, And now if I check this condition, yeah, this holds true. So I will increment strictly decreasing by 1. The value of strictly decreasing previously was 1, and now it will become, after incrementing 1, it will become 2. Okay, so now check for maxi. Maxi equals to max of maxi is right now 2. Strictly increasing is right now, I've told that it became 1 after resetting, and strictly decreasing is right now 2. So it will again become 2, no change. Similar way, now comes the case of I will increment I with 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, this is the number we are going to operate now. So does it holds true? No. So I will enter this part. So I will increment, so my SI will become now 1. So okay, let's execute this part. Will it hold true for this 3? No. So it will enter the else condition, and now strictly decreasing will become 1. So now let's to execute this part. So maxi is right now 2, SI is right now 1, SD is right now 1. So maxi will just become 2, and so on. So this is how this code is working. I hope you were clear with this. Thank you.